Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look I have right here, which is a very bold teal lip with a smoky teal and coral halo eye. I had so much fun putting this look together, and if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion and then immediately setting the crease and mobile lid with Kat Von D Lock It Loose powder for a smooth canvas. Now I'm picking up the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Subculture palette and grabbing a small amount of the shade Roxy on a fluffy blending brush and buffing that slightly above my crease in loose, blown out movements. On a fluffy pencil brush, I'm picking up the shade Mercury and beginning to build up the halo shape, focusing the product on the inner and outer corners of the eye. I'm also connecting the inner and outer smoke through the crease subtly. I'm then taking that initial blending brush and buffing the product into the crease. Now with the Melt Cosmetics eyeshadow in Fixated, I'm intensifying the halo smoke in the inner and outer corner with a smaller pencil brush. With an even smaller pencil brush, I'm taking the Subculture shade in Axis and focusing that on the outer and inner corner to add a nice teal to deepen the eye. Grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to clean up under the eyes and highlight my face off camera. With a small pencil brush and a bit more of Axis, I'm replicating what we did on the top lid, creating smoke on the inner and outer corner. Dipping back into the shade Roxy on a small pencil brush, I'm filling the gap on the lower lash line, and now I'm going to cut the crease and create a defined halo shape with a flat rounded brush and more Tarte Shape Tape. And immediately setting that down with the Melt Cosmetics eyeshadow in Amelie. I'm also taking a clean, flat, rounded brush and defining the shape further with more of Amelie. Taking my Pixie Glow Mist, I'm wetting that brush and picking up more of Amelie to intensify the color further. To complete the eyes, I'm adding lots of mascara and a pair of the ARDELL Demi Wispies. For the lips, I'm applying a coat of the SUGARPILL liquid lipstick in Euphoria. Back to finish off the cheeks, I'm going to be using the MILANI Baked Blush in Luminoso to balance the heaviness of the eyes and lips. For my highlight, I'm using MARC Beauty Spotlight Glow Stick on a duo fiber brush, and then topping it with the Kat Von D Beauty eyeshadow in Thunderstruck. Taking the blush brush, I'm going to diffuse the highlight and meld all the cheek products together. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!